Welcome back YouTube. Let me tell you the easiest way to get Delta Executor on the iOS and Android device, guys, and along with the activation key. And guys, you can install the Delta Executor on your iOS device directly without side loading, even without need of the PC. So what you need to do is pretty simple. Go to your web browser, and over the web browser you need to go to the robloxing.com. so guys, make sure you are spelling it right so that you can dive into the right place. And here you will see the options for Delta Executor, Roblox, other scripts and other executors. You need to tap on the top one, which is Delta Executor, and you are gonna see this page here. You need to enter your Roblox username so that system could connect with the Delta Executor API. So guys, here I just entered my username, and here we go. You can see the account has been found, and this is my account, as you can see here, guys. And guys, don't forget to tap over here so that you can get the newest and working version of the Delta Executor. And here is the drop down menu. You can select the script you want to get along with the Delta Executor using just single activation key. Tap on continue after that, and you're gonna see the process like this one here, and wait till the process gets completed. Okay, we need to see here. You see the last update is 1 August. Okay, here we go. All is done. API has been connected and the activation key is already been generated, you can see, but the last 2 digits of the activation key is been hidden. What we need to do is pretty simple. Tap on the Google reCAPTCHA and go through the Google reCAPTCHA process so that we can finalize the download. And this is the Delta Security Gateway. Okay, Google reCAPTCHA has opened this one. Here we need to install 2 free apps from the list given over here, as you can see, and also you can watch the tutorial video given over here so that you can get to know how you can do that. Simply install 2 apps, run the app minimum for the 30 seconds, and you are all good to go, guys. And if you don't want to go with the apps, you can participate in this survey and it will unlock your installation process. And once done, you will see the Delta has been installed on your mobile device already, guys, and the activation key is already been unlocked. Okay, let me join the Bloxfruit server again, and here is the newest version, guys, I'm using. This is the Delta Executor, recently updated, and here you can see how to use it actually. So let me search for the ResHub script, which is the most popular script. This is the universal script. You can see, simply tap on the ResHub. You will see the options for execute selected script, open script in editor, tap on execute selected script, and it will execute the custom script on your Roblox game, guys. And that's how you can do that, guys. So enjoy the tutorial video and don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Thanks for watching.